Namaste JVMs. I, JVM PVC, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, 228 Women Students. Today, I will discuss about the topic uh, production planning and control. So, production planning and control is the topic is very important. Uh, this topic belongs to the modern pharmaceutics. So, firstly, we discuss about what is the definition. What is the definition of the production planning and control? So production planning and control, short form is PPC, is defined as the planning and direction, planning and direction and coordination, planning and direction and coordination of the firm's material and physical facilities towards the attainment of predetermined production objectives in the most economical manner. Pharmaceutical production planning and control is a management tool employed in direction of the manufacturing operations and their coordination with other activities of the firm. In the production system, it is primarily defined by the dimension of quality, time, and price. So the PPC is the process of planning or deciding on the resources the firm will require for its future manufacturing operations and of allocating and time scheduling these resources to produce the desired products on time at the least total cost. So the volume of production and nature of production process, nature of operation, manufacturing to order, manufacturing for stock and sale, and mass production and continuous. So the production planning system, process planning system, market requirements and product specification and product idea and product research, product development and final product design. So the materials, procurement, storage, inventory, control and issues. The method is the processes, operations and their sequences, machines, loading of jobs and utilization, manpower works and skill, routine flow of work, estimating operations time, and scheduling timetable of production clarity and sequencing and machine loading. The dispatching authorization, the start of operations, expediting follow-up and keeping record of progress made, evaluating, assessing the effectiveness of operations. So the routine is determining the extract pathway which will be followed in production. It is the selection of the path from where each unit have to pass before reaching the final stage. The stage from which goods are to pass are decided in the process. In the words of Alford and Beatty, routing is the specification of the flow sequence of operations and processes to be followed in producing a particular manufacturing lot. So scheduling is the determining of time and date. When each operation is to be commenced or completed, the time and date of manufacturing each component is fixed in such a way that assembling for final product is not delayed in any way. In the words of Kimball and Kumbal, the determination of the time that should be required to perform each operation and also the time necessary to perform the entire series as routed, making allowance for all factors concerned. So the dispatching refers to the process of actually ordering the work to be done. It involves the putting the plan into effect by issuing orders. It is the concern with the starting the process and operation on the basis of route, sheet, and schedule chart. In the word of John A. Subin, dispatches food production in effect by releasing and guiding manufacturing order in the sequence previously determined by the route, sheet, and schedule. So the following two procedures may be used for dispatching. Centralized dispatching under these orders are directly issued to workmen and the machine. Uh, it helps in exercising effective control, and decentralized dispatching under this procedure, all work orders are issued to the foreman of dispatch clerk of the department or section. It suffers from difficulties in achieving coordinate among different departments. Follow-up or expediting is that branch of production control procedures which regulates the progress of material and part through the production process. Follow-up procedure. Progress may be assessed with the help of routine report communication with operating departments. The follow-up procedure is used for the expediting and checking the progress. So this is the complete session of the production planning and control. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you and thank you for the listening.